Galaxy S22 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now select Connections and tap on Bluetooth. Then click on the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to, wait a bit and select Pair in the pop-up. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by tapping on the secure icon next to the device and choosing on pair at the bottom right corner. Now confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!